ஆக்சுவலாக ஒரு கொஞ்சம் வார்த்தையை நான் தமிழில் பேசிக்கிறேன் சரிங்களா? ஏன்னா எனக்கு யாராவது இருந்தால் டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. என்னால் அதை பேசாமல் இருக்க முடியல. ஆக்சுவலாக நல்லவங்களோட பார்வைப்பட்டால் மண்ணுக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற கல் கூட வைரமாயிடும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி தான் பிஎன்ஐ மெம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாருமே உங்கள் பக்கத்தில் இருந்தாலே ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக பவர்ஸ் எவ்ரிபடிக்கும் வந்துடும் அப்படின்றது தான் யதார்த்தமான உண்மை. ஆக்சுவலாக ஒரு கட்டத்தில் அந்த ஒரு மாதிரி ஹைப்பில் போவோம். நான் கிட்டத்தட்ட பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நான் சொன்னது தான் 160 கார்பரேட் ட்ரைனிங்கு. கிட்டத்தட்ட நான் ஒரு ஸ்டேஜில் கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 350 அதுக்கு மேலேயே நான் வந்து பேசியிருப்பேன். ஸோ ஸ்கூல் காலேஜஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் கவுண்ட் பண்ணும்போது ஒரு 350க்கும் அகோவாக போயிருக்கும். ஆனால் பிஎன்ஐயில் மட்டும்தான் பிகினிங்லேருந்து எண்டு வரைக்கும் அந்த அந்த ஒரு பவர் கொஞ்சம் கூட குறையவும் குறையாது, அப்படியே எனர்ஜெட்டிக்காக போயிட்டே இருக்கும். ஸோ அதுக்குள்ளே இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் அதை ரியலைஸ் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ பிஎன்ஐ யூ ஆல்சோ உண்மையிலே நீங்கள்லாம் புண்ணியம் பண்ணவங்க. ஆக்சுவலாக காட் பிளெஸிங் யூ, தட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ பிஎன்ஐ மெம்பர். தேங்க்ஸ் டு திஸ் வண்டர்ஃபுல் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. முரளி சார், ரேணு மேம், தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். பிளெஸிங் யுவர் ஃபீட். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். ஸோ தேங்க்ஸ் டு திஸ் wonderful opportunity. First time BNI Bank. So and Goa and a lot of region also I go to talk. Thank you this wonderful opportunity. So what is customers? So customers is the king, customers is God, customers is all. You want to give or take, this is your life rolling, correct? 50 rupees you buying to the 1 kg rice inside stone, how do you feel? You want to go something buying, that is the good. You providing something your best. ஸோ நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற விஷயத்தை குவாலிட்டியாக கொடுக்கறதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்ற ஒரு சோர்ஸ் தான். ஸோ in the year of 2010 I had to drop a customer at Central Railway Station in Chennai and was waiting for the next customer. Suddenly a boy came and running to me from the government hospital was nearby. He asked me Anna if there was any place to could charge his phone. He had to call somebody regarding some important issues. I asked, he said he is from out of station, his father is passed away. That message was not conveyed for our family members. He desperately looking for the charger point, his phone. I'm not able to help him at that point. If what we want is not available for us, when we need it to most, however big it might be, it will not be useful to us. தேவைப்படும் போது கிடைக்காத எந்த ஒரு பொருளும் இந்த உலகத்தில் எவ்வளோ பெருசாக இருந்தாலும் அது வேஸ்ட்டு அப்படின்றது தான் என்னோட பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வியூ. ஸோ this time my auto inside lot of charges facilities available. Belkin 12 volt to 220 watts converter and APC power bank and MI power bank and Samsung power bank also available my auto inside. The same facility available onto that time that guy I am also got. So that is the one of the reason. So this time my auto inside fridge is available, cooling water bottle is free and pepper boat is free and tender water also free. Your office inside is water is not a problem, but your home and PG inside also water is not a problem. But travel timing, some of the problem is water. Especially you use the public transport. Buses, you travel the bus, that time also you want to the water, that time some of the problem. So I providing to the cooling water bottle in my customers. So this is 1 month before my auto inside breadwood box also included. That inside also fruits and snacks and chocolates also free. Because lot of IT people also staying onto that road. 10 o'clock office, 9:30 also this guy is back up. Bhaiya, Anna, where are you now? I'm in this place. Bhaiya, you come fast because my office is late time. That is the reason. So I want to go in, catch the customer. I go to drop into suddenly go to the office inside. You access your card and go to the food court. TL and senior manager also looking for you. You access, go to the food court. No more working. So because that people also not eat the breakfast something, so I providing to the travel timing fruits and snacks and chocolates and something. So my auto inside Google Home and Alexa also available. So yeah.
Hey Google, who is CEO of Business Network International?
The CEO of BNI is Graham Weimiller.
Hey Alexa, who is founder of Business Network International?
BNI, also called Business Network International, was founded by Ivan Meisner.
So you want to any information you collect onto the voice assistant to the Google Home and Alexa. So my Chennai is hot place. Lot of customer also complaining. So I'm also including to the air cooler in my auto inside. So that is. Uh, my auto inside one of the small size TV. This is also 9 languages program: Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Punjabi, Western, Tamil, Bhojpuri, Nepali also. I don't know other languages. I want to go to any Andhra, Kerala, Karnataka, Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, any places I want to go. Small tea shop, Tamil song play, Audi my feel. Any Hindi customer travel my auto, I play for the Hindi song. Bhaiya, your favorite hero? That's are also saying any Salman Khan, Teri Meri, that song also I play him. Any Shah Rukh Khan customer also travel my auto, favorite hero customer. Bhaiya, my favorite is Shah Rukh Khan. I play for the Kisi Rogi Tumse Mulaqat Hogi, that song also I play. Next that sir also saying, भैया you know Hindi, yeah I know Hindi, आप कैसे हो, आप कहाँ से हो, अपना खाना खा लिया, मैं ठीक हूँ, अच्छे से रहना, धन्यवाद, वापस जरूर मिलना, मुझको भूलना मत, कुशल मंगल यात्रा, आती देव भव, फिर मिलेंगे मुझे भी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ठीक है हो गए, भैया भैया बता धन्यवाद थैंक यू हिंदी ओवर. Any Telugu customer travel my auto, I play for the Telugu song, ధన్యవాదాలు మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం I am saying. Any Kannada customer travel my auto, I play for the Kannada song, ధన్యవాదగాడు మధ్య పన్ని I am saying. మరలి మరుగాయి ముంగారు మలై మిల్లాన, lot of songs also I am playing. Any Malayalam customer travel my auto, I play for the Malayalam song, Nanni Vindu Marnam I am saying. Any Oriya customer travel my auto, Dhanyavad Puni Asandu I am saying. Any Bengali customer travel my auto, Donnubad Abar Asbin I am saying. And any Marathi, Gujarati customer, Dhanyavad Bacha Ujo I am saying. Any Marathi customer travel my auto, Atta Macha Satta Kali and Sarva Anna Shubhasandhya Kal also I am saying. And any Punjabi customer travel my auto, Kita Vadya I am saying. Kita means how are you, Vadya means I am fine. And I play for the DJ Wale Babu Mera Gana Chala To, DJ Wale Babu Mera Gana Chala To, and a lot of Punjabi songs also I am playing. And any Japanese customer travel my auto, I am saying Arigato gozaimasu, sayonara I am saying. Arigato gozaimasu, thank you, sayonara is bye. And a lot of Western tracks also I played. So Perfect, I Found the Love, and Tasposito, Ichimala Gulpa, Taki, and a lot of songs also I am playing. So the travel timing, our hometown feel also creating. That is the one of the focus I want to play into the several song, different languages song. This is my point of view focus. This is embrace diversity. This is saying, corporate also saying diversity inclusion something. So that is the one of the reason. So my daddy is also automan. My 2 elder brother also do the same job. This is my family background. During my childhood, we concentrate on many activities except studies. So we choose this job. I didn't willingly choose this job, but I tried to do currently available job with willingness. So I was really thinking, I am able to eat only from the money I earn through my customers. I was really thinking what my customers really expect from me. Anyone travel the auto rickshaw? What is your expectation? Friendly, politeness, ladies கிட்ட பொலைட்னஸாக இருந்தால் ப்ராப்ளம் ஆகிடும். ஸோ அதை கேர்ஃபுல்லாக ஹேண்டில் பண்ணணும். படன் ஓ சுச்சுவேஷன். ஸோ ட்ராவல் டைமில் ட்ராவலில் இருக்கும்போது திஸ் இஸ் மெரினா பீச், திஸ் இஸ் சாந்தோம் சர்ச், somebody also information you want to tell him, some that is also good. No more expectation, safety and respect, nothing. Safety. Majority of customer expectation and safety and respect. So I wanted to give them something more. My thoughts turned towards media. So I started providing 6 daily newspaper in the morning, 2 in the evening, along with 35 to 40 monthly and weekly magazines spread across wide range of genre. Femina, Filmfare, Ridge, JW, Galata, Autocar, Infinity Thoughts, My Mobile, Aval Vigadan, Ananda Vigadan, Kumudam, Kungumam, Nakiran, Juvi, Mangair Malar, Pudiya Talamurai Kalki, lot of several magazines also I am providing. How many customers read it? Any guessing? After which I realized only 25% of my customers were reading. What do you think the remaining 75% of my customers will be doing? No more hate this, all of you down, use the Facebook, WhatsApp, something. So 7 years back, it was not easy to access internet while traveling. That day I providing to the D-Link router, data card, configure, I provide the Wi-Fi connection. So this time also packet router, we can access internet easily. So this time also Airtel, Vodafone, Idea and Jio and few more network also I am providing. Because all network is not good speed in all places. This place any one network slow speed, you disconnect, you connect the another one network. I always believe that we should never give somebody something, but when we do, we should make it the best. So I provide the reasonable high-speed internet connection in my customers because no internet is better than slow internet, correct? So that is the one of the reason I provide. So even the IT corridor of Chennai, you would think everyone would be technically advanced, correct? But that is not so. Few of my customers don't even have a smartphone. So I started providing Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 Note 800 for them to browse. You don't question anyone, you want to that, you take and browse it. So every electronical product is 3 years is more than outdated, correct? Anyone use the iPhone 3G? So my customers is always smart. So I part and provide the latest Apple iPad Pro. So you want to that, you take and browsing. So PUBG, Fortnite, you want to anything, you want to that, you take and playing. So just a simple condition only for travel timing. This is very important, correct? So after, so even I could not open some of the email attachments in my tablet, so I part and provide the laptop also. So this is also, you want to that, you take it. Anyone use the public transport, especially bus something? Morning time, 100 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees ticket. How do you treat that conductor? No change. Oh, Chennai mein some shouting something. So, Bangalore mein safe, Mysore mein safe. So, in my profession, I got faced a lot of problem with regard to change. That is some of the customer used to extend 100 rupees note for 10 rupees ride. I did not enough to pay them balance amount. During those times, I told them, I had totally faith them. They could pay the auto fare later. They hesitated. I told him, however much I believe them, they should also believe in themselves. Those customers paid me the due amount without fail next time when they travel. If you were in the same position like those customers, how will you feel? What is your feeling? No? Pardon? Oh, nice. 90% customers felt guilty. I want to put them at ease because my point of view, customers is not guilty, God is guilty because my customers is my real God. So 4.5 years before I go to approach the bank manager, I ask the swiping machine. 2 years, 1 month, 2 months is demonetization, correct? 4.5 years before, 4 years, 10 months before I go to approach the bank manager, I asked the swiping machine, manager madam also, which shop, your shop name? I mean auto wala madam. Auto wala swiping machine. Manager face reaction also totally changed. That madam also saying, 8 documents. He demand to the 7 to 8 documents. Company registration, rental agreement, visiting card, logo, seal, sign, seal, lot of documents also you demand. All documents also I want to collect him. 2 weeks later, this mission was my hand. So 10 rupees you pay for the card. Some of the customers felt very strange about using the swiping machine for 10 rupees. Just I convinced to the customers, Digital India, Smart India, Change in India, not corporate and shopping mall, platform. This change it, totally change it. You go to the MTC bus, tea shop, fruit shop, all places digital, that is the real digital. You go to the your salary is credited onto the bank account. You withdraw into the 100 rupees, you spend for the 50 rupees, balance 50 rupees transaction you don't know. All places digital, your transaction is very openly. I am also convinced to the. You go to your office outside, one of the petty shop also earning for the 50,000, 10 to 20,000, 30,000 something. You also earning for the daily 1,000 rupees. You pay for the tax, that's also not pay for the tax. What is the difference? Your salary is accountability, our income is not accountability. I am also convinced. This time also 50 to 60% customer also, Anna, I give me a machine, you give me a machine, I pay for the card, you give me a machine. That's also backside seating, self-using, that is a nice experience creating. That is this point of view, my time also more less. Get down place also, your purse outside, you pay for the money, that is a waste of the time. This is also get down, chalo chalo, na, bye bye, that customer also going. So my time also save. My point of view, 2015 and 16, my meager money also go to the Arun Jaitley sir budget. I am really proud Indian, I am the tax paid person. So, last 2 years I am not applicable onto the GST. So, hopefully I pay for the this year maximum I pay for the GST. So, I have a lot of digital payment method in my auto inside, M-Visa and Lotsa and Paytm, Beam and Google Pay, Test. Google Pay tests both are same and PayPal payment method, PhonePe and lot of digital payment method also accept my auto inside. Because customer felt guilty, I want to implement onto the more payment method. So this is one of the reason, lot of digital payment method. So, and then after some time, I had this great idea to share some of my income with my customers. So I started conducting contest on the go. It was customers relationship development contest. I printed out 5 questions, general topics. It is an objective type, and ask your name and email address. The person who get all those correct answer will be awarded ₹1,000 of every month. When I informed about this to my friends and well-wishers, I got negative feedbacks like people getting into your auto will only think about when they will get down. That is also saying but I got thought like we only have our mind to execute what we think of. So I went and collected few questions. When Anna Teresa Ma'am got Nobel Prize, when Abdul Kalam Sir was born, and etc. etc. All I had in my mind was even if one customer answered all questions, winner feedback, I want to collect front and paste auto inside, encourage to the other customers. So, but 137 customer also participated onto the first month. Out of them, 25 answer correctly. At the end of the month, I will close the contest and random customer to select the winner. If an auto man like me rewards you ₹1,000, what is your reactions? No more reactions, huh? What is your reactions? Wow. First month, one of the person in Logo Parthiban is winner of the contest. So he refused to accept his prize money, saying that what I was offering was a service. He only participated to encourage me. But I got him to accept that money by saying, will you decline? If you got a promotion in your job, you should really learn, acknowledge your achievement. So he got a stand. Lot of auto walas also looting the money. First time you give me money, I am also totally shocked. That's sir also saying. So, what is the earning customers loyalty? வாடிக்கையாளர்களின் நம்பகத்தன்மையை பெறுவது எப்படி? What is the earning customers loyalty? We all business people, correct? What is the earning customers loyalty? Trust. Awesome. Who is that person? Thank you, sir. Can you please applause? How many people? Mysore. I'm from Chennai, correct? So I came to here. What is the good vegetarian hotel in Mysore? Bugari. Bakwa. Bagwa. Pakwa. Yeah. Sure, 100%. Bakwa, any money paying for you, sir? So Bakwa providing to the quality and quantity, this sir also don't know that people also branding for this, sir. So Jeppezos are business, 2 platforms are business, 2 main focus. One is referral, one more is repeated. That is the successful business. So this is the earning customers loyalty. Repeatedly, one of the customer also business give me a US. So that person also go to the referral to the other people. You go to providing onto the this just example Power World, Mysore, and Trends Housing. So this is customer repeatedly saying that is a successful business. So how do you focus this one? My auto inside one of the project is this is the token trade. Share auto type. I drive the auto in that side. One of the customer travel, minimum fare is 10 rupees, maximum fare is 25 rupees. One of the customer travel my auto 20 times, I give 250 rupees. One of the customer travel my auto 30 times, I give 500 rupees. One of the customer travel my auto 40 times, I give 1000 rupees. One of the customer also travel my auto, 50 tokens save it. Our calling our friend, day, you go to Anna auto, Anna give me the token, you and me go to the movie. My nearby seating a referral our friends. So one more customer also calling for me. Anna, where are you now? I'm in Thiruvanmiyur, Bhaiya. Bhaiya, I am waiting on to the Thorepakam. Bhaiya, I will reach on to your place in 15 minutes. You don't waste of the time. You choose another one transport. You go to office. That is also I am convinced. No, I am also more comfort your auto. I am waiting there. You come. That customer also waiting there. So this point of view, my customer income is more increased. That is 4 to 6 customer also only winning on to the 250 rupees concept token treat. The 15 days before also one of the customers saved to the 20 token. Bhaiya, give me money, give me money. Bhaiya, you wait on to the another 15 days. You say the 40 token, I give 1000 rupees. No, you go to your hometown, waste of the token. You give me money, give me money, give me money. That's are also saying. So this Token treat project also my income is more increased. My auto inside lot of offer days, Children's Day, Women's Day, Father's Day, Independence Day, Abdul Kalam Sah's birthday, my birthday, Valentine's Day, and lot of offer days. Why you smiling? My birthday, Valentine's Day. I am living good, I provide the offer, right? So because that is the reason I am providing to the my offer, birthday offer also. Valentine's Day also, that is the, you, money also rotates, that is the, not a problem. But you gather the feeling, that is the more craze something. That is the one of the reason. So one of the person also travel my auto, February 14th, hours and come. You have some friends mismatch onto the couples, that is the bada problem. So because, before I will mention, this time also your friends, can you please today only you pay for separately. You also couple, you don't pay the money, you collect the 5-star chocolate. That day I providing to the 5-star chocolate. So this time you share the chocolate, after marriage you share your life because mention onto the, this code line also. So one of the person travel my auto February 14th in 2 years back. That's are also for me, meet to the another 10th, 8 months back, that's are also meeting for me, hug and crying. Suddenly one of the person, I'm totally forget that person came and hug and crying. But yeah, who is this? My customer also. So suddenly one of the person hug and crying, who is, Anna, me and my girlfriend travel in your auto 8 months back, I'm no forget, that's are also crying saying this one. God also directly came in our near. That is also no more happiness providing that. கடவுளே நேரா வந்தா கூட அவ்வளோ பெரிய சந்தோஷத்தை அவருக்கு கொடுத்துருக்க முடியாது. ஸோ ஃபீலிங் வந்து யூ ப்ரொவைடிங் டு த சம் ஆஃப் த குட் கஸ்டமர் சர்வீஸ் ஃபீலிங், தட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ மணி இஸ் நெக்ஸ்ட். யூ ப்ரொவைட் த குட் கஸ்டமர் சர்வீஸ், எவ்ரி திங் ஃபாலோயிங் யூ, திஸ் இஸ் த பேசிக். So my auto inside, lot of corporate teachers also free service in my auto inside. Teacher job is world #1 noble service job. Because Abdul Kalam sir, Narendra Modi sir, Ban Ki-moon sir, Obama sir, Trump sir, Putin sir, all legendary people, King Jong-un, all people also creating one of the teachers. So teacher job is world #1 noble service job. So I providing to the teacher is my auto inside free service. One of the person also travel my auto. Ma'am, you are in teacher? No, bhaiya, I am also bank employee. Ma'am, you are in teacher? No, bhaiya, I am in housewife. Ma'am, you are in teacher? No, bhaiya, I am also BNI member. No. Ma'am, you are from teacher? No, bhaiya. Yes, how do you know? Some of the person also saying. Suddenly, I am also free rider. Suddenly get down because not good name in auto walas in Chennai. So 500 meter, 1 kilometer forward after I will tell him, your job is world #1 service job, ma'am. 10 minutes I want to talk to him, your job is valuable job, something. No, bhaiya, you also more hard work. You keep money. What is your name, ma'am? Just example, Lada madam is not, I am providing the offer. Lada teacher, I providing the offer. I am also convinced to the teacher. So my felt is very proud, I providing to the teachers is free service. Lot of corporate CEO's birthday also my auto inside free service. That is the reason is employment creating, that is a very big challenging. So education system is not fulfilled in your life. Next level of job opportunities, that is a government also nothing possible, big employment creating, but corporate also creating, that is a very big pride and respect. So just corporate CEO's birthday, that CEO's birthday also my auto inside free service. Just example to the TCS Rajesh Gopinathan sir, August 13th, that day also all TCS employee free ride. Cognizant Francisco D'Souza, August 23rd, that day also all Cognizant employee free ride. Paul Hermelin sir, April 30, Capgemini CEO, Jim Hackett, May 22, that is the Ford CEO, that day also Ford employee free ride. And Actsavar R. Krishna sir, CP Gurunani sir, Tech Mahindra CEO, December 19th, Abhidali Nimuchwala, December 8th in Wipro CEO, and lot of corporate CEOs birthday also my auto inside free service. That is the reason is this one. But that day also I am providing to the chocolate, our company CEOs employees also, that company employees free ride, that CEO's birthday, I am providing to the all employees to the travel, my customer, all people also chocolate providing. That is the reason of the I am providing this offer. And coming next February 4th, my auto inside AWS Deep Lens also available, artificial intelligence, face recognize. Next time you travel my auto, hello Sudhi, just example, hello Sandeep, how are you? That is also talk. This is not shipping into the India. So my one of the customer also US, I am buying to the that place. That customer also shipping Okay, next time you want to some more different backside something I don't want to talk him, so that AWS Deep Lens also talking with you. So next my auto inside, I'm also changed, that is a selfish, almost Valacheri, OMA circle, lot of 30 and 35 autos also creating, so lot of autos also, this I'm also changed, that is the selfish, so lot of other autos also change him to the my same concept, but this is very big, that people also 2 newspaper, 4 magazine, something Wi-Fi, that is also running. So this all facilities, that is the nothing. Attitude is very important. Okay, this all facilities providing wow, no more value. So it does not matter what job we do, what matter how you do that. So that is the Aditi Deva Bhava. Thanks to this wonderful opportunity. You follow the money, money is nothing following you. You provide the good customer service, everything following you. Because I am using the iPhone 10, this is customer providing, and a lot of this is, I'm not expect these issues, but you love your job, you love your customer service, everything following you, that is the one of the reason. BNI is very powerful. This actually nearby sitting all people power also gathering, அதாவது காந்தக மாதிரி இழுக்கும். அது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்கள் பக்கத்தில் உட்காந்துருந்தாலே போதும், நான் எதுவுமே பண்ண வேணாம், ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக உங்ககிட்ட இருக்க பவரெல்லாம் எடுத்துகிட்டு போகிறது தான் இது. ஆக்சுவலாக நீங்கள்லாம் உண்மையிலே போன ஜென்மத்தில் ரொம்ப பெரிய புண்ணியம் பண்ணவங்க. ஸோ இதுதான் யதார்த்தமான உண்மை. தேங்க்ஸ் டு திஸ் ஒண்டர்ஃபுல் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி.